Hi everyone, I hope you all are doing good. Welcome to the second video in our onboarding series. I am Abhigyan Raj, product marketer at Forescribe, and in this video, we are gonna dive into two important aspects. The first is brand your workspace, and the second is manage workspaces. So, without any further delays, let's begin. So, first, let's talk about brand your workspace. You can see a tab right here. You have to click on it. So we at Forescribe really believe that logo isn't just a picture. It's the essence of your company's vision and mission. Now to add your logo, you can click on this pencil icon, select the file that you want to upload, and click on open. Once you see your logo perfectly visible here, you have to just click on save. And now you can easily see your logo in the workspace. This simple steps helps you to create a cohesive brand identity, and it makes sure that everyone know in your team that they are in the right place. So now we will talk about manage workspaces. So a workspace is basically a digital office for your team in Forescribe. So a company might need multiple workspaces. For instance, if a company operates in multiple regions, having a separate workspace for all the regions can actually streamline operations and improve the efficiency and focus of each region. So, to manage your workspaces, you just have to click on this Manage Workspaces tab, and from here you can see all the workspaces that you currently have. And if you need to add any workspace, you can just click on this add workspace button, and you can create a new workspace for a new department or a new region. So this is all for the second part of our onboarding series. We are Forescribe, and we help you master your digital landscape. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.